Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to use replace function to cleansing the data. So cleansing the data is nothing but cleaning the data or scrubbing the data. So this is the process of finding the errors and inconsistencies, inaccuracies in the data. Clean the data by using different functions. So in this demo, I will show how to use the replace function as per the logics. So first I'll show my table. This is my person table which contains 5 columns. So first requirement is I want to replace. In the name column you can observe prefix also include for all these names. I want to replace doctor with miss. Okay, I want to replace change the miss with doctor in the name column. This is my first requirement. Second one, so date of birth column you can see between date, month and year you can see backslashes. I want to change with backslash with hyphen in DOB column. So third one, you can see commas in the phone number column. Okay, remove the commas from phone number column. And last one, in the email I don't want to show the domain number, domain address. I want to replace with mask. Mask the domain name in email. So all these requirements I want to do using replace function. So replace is the string function which takes 3 arguments. First one is string, second one is substring, and third one is new string. It took 3 arguments: string, substring, and new string. Okay, so here first I want to change them miss with doctor. Okay, there are 2 employees whose prefix is miss. I want to make it as a doctor. Okay, for that I am using replace function. Name comma replace. So first one I am taking expression to be searched. So name column. So searching expression. Search expression here I am searching for miss. Okay, replacement expression is here. I want to replace with doctor from person. In the new column we don't find any miss. Everything is replaced. Okay, but here I need to write update statement, not like this. Update statement. Update your table name. Okay, set your column name equal to, so use replace. So for first name and second one is substring miss, and third one is replacement string as doctor. Okay, if I execute this update query, okay, all 5 rows are affected, and check the table. Now you don't find any miss prefix names as replaced with the doctor. So first one is completed, and second one is change backslash with hyphen DOB column. So in the DOB column, you can see backslash. So I want to see the date of birth column like this. This is the existing one. I want to make it as a 12 comma 12 hyphen. I want to change this as like this. Okay. In the DOB column, for that also I am writing update statement. Update person set, mention your column name date of birth equal to replace. So first date of birth column, take the date of birth column comma, and next one is slash backslash, and new replacement string is hyphen. 5 rows are affected. See, there are no backslashes. Everything is replaced with hyphen. Okay. This is the second requirement. And third one is remove the commas from the phone number column. So you can see some commas are there in the phone number column. I want to make it as a update person set column name phone number equal to replace phone number. That's the first argument. Second argument is comma with empty space. Okay, I want to remove the commas. Okay, so my second argument is comma, and third argument is just empty space. Execute this one. 5 rows are affected. Now you can see you don't find any commas. Everything is replaced with empty space. Okay. Now last one. How to mask the domain name. So in this domain name you can see everything is example.com. Okay. Update person set your column name email equal to replace using replace function, again email. Now domain name is example.com. Okay, example I want to replace, just this is the substring. My new string is replaced with stars. Okay, just update this one. 5 rows are updated, and check the table. You can see everything is star. So you won't see any domain name, just stars.com. Okay, so by this way you can use a replace function to clean the data as per the requirement. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.